Hello, welcome to my channel, guys. I'm doing a tour of this truck camper. Oh, they don't went. Look at that, got the Blue Eddy. Storage there. Storage here with a stove there. Let's check out this fridge. Got a fridge. Hey. They coming up with some ideas, guys. I can stand up in here. Oh, look at the shower. Oh, I guess this is where you cook too. They got the little orange and oh, that was the lemons. Little sink. Okay now. You got a shower, long as you got a shower. Let's step into the shower. Oh, okay. This is the curtain, I guess, for the shower. Got a window. Got a commode. Got somewhere. Chair. Guess this would come out to a bed. I'm sure it is. Oh, yes. You undo these. Lift up. Let's do it the other way. Yeah. Lift up. See what's all up under there. Okay. All right, look at that. Don't forget to hit like and share. Hit that top bell. You got your sunroof. Okay, zip up. Let's see. Okay, then you got another zip. Oh, insulation. Okay, it's just like this. Okay. Guys, don't forget to hit like and share. Hit that top bell, ding dings, so you can get notification. Yeah, I'm out here in the Arizona Desert Street. Let's show you the outside. They had a price. The outside. And it's on the truck. Don't forget to hit like and share. Hit that top bell. Ding ding, so you can get notification of my video. Guess what, guys? Sharing is caring. This is nice. Until next time. Bye 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 bye. Love you guys.